The diamond necklace.
Yeah, pencil. The diamond necklace. Your father had promised to take you to Disneyland Park during the summer holidays, but then he said you you could only go to Uti or Goa. Okay, how would you feel?
कही एड़ा किसी
Okay, तो सुनो एटा होची दिस इज व्हाट डायमंड नेकलेस क्लास तमरो 7. Okay, Matilda was one of those pretty and charming young creatures who sometimes are born, okay, as if by a slip of fate. Slip माने चिनी खसी जाई
मैंने फेद द्वारा उड़ा भूल ही गला
बोले into a family of clerks, married to a little clerk of the Ministry of Public Instruction. Okay, instruction means it a department, Ministry of Public Instruction, Department of National Education. ଶୁଣ ହେଲା କହିବନି ମଝିରେ କିଛି କହିବନି ହେଲା ହେଲା married to a acha married to a little clerk. She dressed plainly because she could not dress well. ହେଲା ତାକୁ ପିନ୍ଧିବାକୁ ମିଳୁନଥିଲା ଭଲ she suffered ceaselessly ମାନେ ତାର ସରୁ ନଥିଲା ceaselessly ମାନେ କ'ଣ ନ ସରିବା continuously ceaselessly ଆଚ୍ଛା ମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ ସେ ସଫର କରୁଥିଲା ହେଲା she had no gowns, no jewels, nothing, and she loved nothing but that. Okay, ତାକୁ ହିଁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ସେଗୁଡାକୁ okay she felt made for that. She had a friend, a former schoolmate at this convent, who was rich and whom she did not like to go to see anymore because she felt so sad when she came home. अच्छा जदि घर को फेरी आसो ता बहुत दुख लागिवो से ता पाखु जाई हैला but one evening her husband reached home with a triumphant air. Triumphant माने जित्ती की जेंदे आछी हैला and holding a large envelope in his hand. What envelope धरके आछी. There, said he, there is something for you. से तो कहला एथरे किछ अछि तम लागि She tore the paper quickly and drew out a printed card which bore these words. ता देरे रहितला बोर टा आछि कहा थ्रू को वर्ड रो आछि बोर
प्रिंटेड कार्ड जल्दी
which bore these words. ए वर्ड रहितला ए बोर टा को वर्ड रो आछि
This is something for you.
मु पचारछि जेमती go went gone ए बोर टा कहार past tense एटा बियर कोन बियर रो आछि हैला ता देरे रहितला एतक लेखा रहितला कोन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पब्लिक इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड मैडम जॉर्ज ओके रामपुनी request the honor of Mr. and Madam Russell's company at the palace of ministry on Monday evening, January 18th. Invitation letter. Instead of being delighted, as her husband had hoped, she delighted Helani. The husband se she threw the invitation on the table crossly, muttering. Okay. what do you wish me to do with that? Okay, muttering ଜାଣିଛ ତ?
हाँ चिड़चिड़ है जी।
ହଁ ଠିକ huh? Why my dear, I thought you would be glad you never go out and this is such a fine opportunity. ये सुजोग मिलेची ହେଲା the whole official world would be there. ସମସ୍ତେ ତ ସେଠି ଥିବେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, she looked at him with an irritated glance ହେଲା ଚିଡ଼ିକିରି glance ମାନେ କଣ glance କଣ
मैंने झलक।
ହଁ ଦେଖିଲା and said impatiently ହେଲା ଅଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଭାବେ ହେଲା ଅଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇକି କହିଲା what will I wear to the ball? ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କୁ ଯିବି କଣ ପିନ୍ଧିବି? I have no gown. Give your card to some okay colleague. Okay, colleague ମାନେ ଯିଏ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କାମ କରନ୍ତି। Okay, no, not labor. ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅଫିସରେ ଯିଏ ଏକାଠି କାମ କରନ୍ତି colleague. Okay, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? whose wife is better equipped than I am. equipped ଜାଣିଛ ତ?
ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବ।
ସଜା ହେଇଥିବ ହେଲା better than I am. He was in despair. Okay, huh? He was in despair. ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲାନି he resumed. କଣ କହିଲା? resume ମାନେ ଏଠି ପୁଣି କହିଲା ପୁଣି କହିଲା come let us see Mathilde, how much would it cost a suitable gown which you could use in other occasions? ଅନ୍ୟ ଜାଗାକୁ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯିବ ଚାଲ କିଣିବା ଗୋଟେ। She reflected several seconds, okay, making her calculations and wondering also what sum she could ask without drawing on herself an immediate refusal and a frightened exclamation from the economical clerk. So she reflected some seconds. से टिके समय रहिला reflected some ହେଲା making her calculations and wondering making her calculations से calculation ଟିକେ कला ଏବଂ ସେ reflected several seconds ମାନେ ସେ କହିଲା ହେଲା reflected several seconds ମାନେ
argue
ସେ କହିଲା after some time ହେଲା ସେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ମାଗିବ ହେଲା without drawing on herself ହେଲା ଯେମିତି କି ତା ଉପରେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ସେ ରିଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରିବନି ହେଲା drawing on herself okay immediate refusal ମନା କରିବନି and a frightened exclamation ଏବଂ ସେ ଡରିକିରି ଓକେ exclamation ମାନେ କଣ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହବନି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ exclaimed okay from the economical clerk so ଏଇ ଯୋଉ economical ମାନେ ଯିଏ କି ଟଙ୍କା କୁ ଅଳ୍ପ ପଇସା ପାଏ finally she replied hesitating ସେ କହିଲା hesitating ମାନେ କଣ କହିଲା hesitating ମାନେ କଣ ଟିକେ ପଛଘୁଞ୍ଚା ଟିକେ ପଛଘୁଞ୍ଚା ତ ଟିକେ ଲାଜ କରି କହିଲା ଦେନ୍ ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା
hesitate ମାନେ ଠିକ ସେ
କହିଲାନି ମାନେ I think I could manage it with 400 francs ହେଲା he grew a little pale ହେଲା ତାକୁ ତା ମୁହଁଟା ଟିକେ ମଳିନ ପଡିଗଲା ହେଲା ଟିକେ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲାନି because he was laying aside just that amount to buy a gun and treat himself to a little shooting next summer okay ସେ କହିଲା because he was laying aside ସେ ରଖୁଛି ସାଇତିକି ରଖିଛି laying aside କଣ ରଖିଛି just that amount ହେଇ 400 francs ବି ରଖିଛି ଦେବା ହେଲା just that amount, same amount of
Perfect.
to buy a gun and treat himself to a little shooting next summer.
Gone भी
ହଁ, ସେ ଗନ୍ କିଣିବ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲି ପଇସା ରଖୁଛି। ଗନ୍ ମାନେ ଇଏ ବନ୍ଧୁକ। and treat himself, ସେଠୁ ସେଇଟା କଣ କରିବ ନେଇକି ଯିବ କୋଉଠିକି ସୁଟିଂ କୁ ଯିବ competition. But he said, I will give you 400 francs and try to have a pretty gown. Okay? ସେ actually ଏତିକି ପଇସା ରଖିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ତଥାପି ସେ କହିଲା, but he said, ମୁଁ ଦେବି ଆଉ। The day of the ball drew near and Madame Loisel seemed sad. Okay? Uneasy, anxious. ହେଲା ପାଖ ହେଇ ଆସିଲା। Her frock was ready, however. Frock ତ କିଣି ଦେଇଛି। Her husband said to her one evening, କଣ କହିଥିଲା ତା husband, what is the matter? ହଁ ଏତିକି ବେଳେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ତାକୁ husband କହିଲା କଣ ହେଲା, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏମିତି ମନ ଦୁଃଖ? And she answered, ସେ କଣ କହିଲା, I don't have a single piece of jewelry, not a single ornament, nothing to put on. Put on ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ? ପିନ୍ଧିବାକୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ। I shall look poverty stricken. Poverty stricken, ଜାଣିଛ stricken କଣ ଜାଣିଛ ତ? Stricken. Strike ଏଟା କାହା ଥରୁ ଆସିଛି ଜାଣିଛ ତ? STRIKE। ହଁ ବଟ୍ ଏଠି stricken ଟା ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଉଛି। STRICKE ମାନେ poverty ପୀଡ଼ିତ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା। There is nothing more humiliating than to look poor among other women who are rich. There is nothing more humiliating, याठू बड़ी humiliating किसी नहीं, माने माने जोड़ा अपमान लगे, humiliating than to अपमान than to look poor. कौन देखा जीवो? Poor देखा जीवो। Among other women who are rich, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ। How stupid you are, her husband cried. Go look up your friend, Madame Forestier, and ask her. तू केना बोका जाएगी ता पाखु जाऊनु? देखा करो, look up your friend, देखा करिया। Forestier and ask her to lend you some jewels. You are intimate enough. Intimate माने बहुत ता संगे घनिष्ठ,
बहुत क्लोज
घनिष्ठ है ना, enough with her to do that. तू एटा करि परिबो, to do that माने से जिंस काम करिया को तोर ता संगे। She uttered a cry of joy. True, I never thought of it. कहला हाँ रे मु तो भाबिनी। The next day she went to her friend and told her of her distress. ता कथा कहला distress माने तार जो
दुख।
हाँ तो कथा कहला। Madame Forestier went to a wardrobe with a mirror. Okay? ଗୋଟେ wardrobe ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ମିରର ବି ଲାଗିଛି ସେ wardrobe ରେ। wardrobe ଜାଣିଛ ଯୋଉଠି ସବୁ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଝୁଲୁଥାଏ ହେଲା। took out a large jewel box, brought it back, opened it and said to Madame Loisel, कौन कहले, choose my dear, देख बोला नो ने। Okay. She saw first some bracelets, then a pearl necklace, okay, then a Venetian gold cross set, okay, relating to or made in Venice. Venice रे गोटा सी वाला जिनस से देखिले precious stones ता देन लागि कोन
ताबी का शूज
तो
जेमस्टोन
suddenly she discovered in a black okay satin box कौन देखले ता भीतर
गोटे
a superb nylon necklace ହେଲା nylon and her heart throbbed with an immoderate
मैंने तारा बहुत इच्छा होती
throbbed ମାନେ ଜୋରେ ଧକ ଧକ ହେଲା ହେଲା with immoderate desire ओके तार इच्छा होता एड़ा नहीं है अच्छा और hands trembled as he shook it धइला ताकू हैंड तार हल्ला as he took it नेला
डर ही गला एडी नेकलेस तारा नेकलेस टा ही गला
नहीं नहीं ट्रेम्बल माने एते पैसा जिंस से कौन हबो पुनी हला she fastened it around her throat पिंदी देला and was lost in ecstasy हला ecstasy माने एते खुशी हला रे से lost हला पूरा हजी वाला खुशी at her reflection in the memory जो देखिला ता जो रिफ्लेक्शन टाको प्रतिबिंब सेटा देखिला परे ता सहित जो येटा पिंधिची ताको देखिला परे से पूरा भाव विहलित हो गला देन शी आस्क्ड hesitating filled with anxious doubt ओके से पछाला will you lend me this only this ओके से पचारला मत एटा धार दबो कि कोटा को देखि पचारला से
डायमंड नेकलेस
जो बॉक्स टा को धइला डायमंड नेकलेस देखिला हला ताको देखि पचार
लोभ लागला
ओके व्हाई यस सडनली she threw her arms around her friend's neck and fled with her treasure हला संगे संगे कुंडे पकेला okay threw her arms round her friend's neck and fled ता कहार past tense के ना तू का
फ्लेड
हां flee okay flee रू आस्ती
फ्लेड
flee माने कोन
माने हवा मारते करी
पळेला
पूरा रन अवे
पळेला हां हला the night of a ball arrived. Madame Loisel was a great success. She was prettier than any other woman present. समस्त को से भलो देखा हला
प्रेटेस्ट कर लेबे अब
elegant, graceful, smiling and wild with joy. Wild with joy से गारमा ची बुझ पाना ओके माने से पूरा खुशी रे पूरा
बहुत खुशी है
खुशी रे पूरा माने
पूरा डेउथला
हां डेउ वाइल्ड यार छड़े जाउथला खुशी रे बुझलो all the men looked at her समस्त ताको देखुतले asked her name sought to be introduced से मारिची
शॉर्ट माने सूट हो तार माने प्रेजेंट
नो
सूट
नहीं
सूट शॉर्ट
साल एटी शॉर्ट हां साल रो साल रो शॉर्ट बट एटी शॉर्ट टू बी इंट्रोड्यूस माने
फुले गले जेला SHOOT शूट हो
ओके सो समस्ते चाहू दिले कोन करिया को शॉर्ट टू बी इंट्रोड्यूस तांग संगे रे
पर शॉर्ट रे इंट्रोड्यूस हो
शॉर्ट नहीं सो चाहिबा शॉर्ट माने शॉर्ट एक्चुअली शॉर्ट होची सीक रो पास्ट टेंस मु भूल कहली सीक रो हैं सीक माने चाहिबा हैं सीक हला सीक सो हैं She was remarked by the minister herself himself. Okay, and remark भी कले कि minister.
Minister.
She left the ball around about 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, से room छाड़ी गला. Her husband had been sleeping since midnight in a little deserted anteroom.
अंटेरूम माने जो पार्टी होतला मिनिस्टर गोटे हॉल रे तार बंगलुरा एठी मझिरे गोटे छोटिया रूम जो था रेस्ट पे गेस्ट मानक पे गेस्ट हाउस हो
Okay, so her husband had been sleeping since midnight in a little deserted anteroom with three other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying the ball. ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଏବେ ସେ 3 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ବସିଥିଲେ ଶୋଇଥିଲେ ଏକୁ ମିଶିଲେ 4 ଜଣ he threw over her shoulders, okay, the wraps he had bought.
रैप्स माने ताको ठारीबा
नहीं he threw over her shoulders, okay, the wraps he had brought, the modest wraps of a common life, the poverty of which contrasted with the elegance of the ball dress. Okay, so he threw over her shoulders. किए तारा husband.
कौन फोपाड़ला?
Okay, the wraps he had bought. अच्छा. The modest wraps of common life, the poverty of which contrasted with the elegance of the ball dress. Okay. तामाने से जो wraps माने से जो तार चादर. Okay.
चादर तो फोपाड़ला माने देला
ताने सोईथिला हेडा घोड़ेइकरी ताकू दे देला. द मॉडेस्ट wraps of common life रो से चादर टाकू से दे देला. जे एडा हमें कॉमन लोक तो चादर फादर घोड़े हुंती. द पॉवर्टी ऑफ व्हिच हला दारिद्रता of which contrasted हला सो से पूरा उल्टा थिला. contrasted माने पूरा उल्टा with the elegance of the ball dress ऊपर जो फिंगी देला सेटा पूरा तार माने ताकर उल्टाटा कौन जो बॉल ड्रेस टा बहुत सुंदर एटा एते ये नथिला. शी फेल्ड दिस ताको सेटा लागिला हैला जे मते कोन गोटे चदर टे फकी देलेनी मो ऊपरे हैला. शी फील रु आछि फेल्ड से फील कला एंड विश टू एस्केप आ चाहिला जा संग संग पळेबो बोली कुआडे एरिया छाड़िया
मैंने बहुत
लोक देखी देबे
हला भाबे जे माने गरीब लोक होत
so as not to be remarked by the other women, okay, who were enveloping him or themselves हला in costly furs. ସେମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ enveloping themselves घोड़े ହେଇଥିଲେ costly furs सब माने costly दामिकिया जो पोशाक ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଘୋଡି ହେଇଥିଲେ ताकू देखी से आगे ये धरा पड़ो बोली से पलैला है पलैले. लॉयजेल हेल्ड हर बैक. लॉयजेल ताकू कहला कौन पे हेल्ड हर बैक टे रहा कहला. वेट ए बिट यू विल कैच कोल्ड आउटसाइड आई विल कॉल ए कैब. कहला टिके रहीता छिड़ा होता मु कैब को डाकुची गाड़ी की है. But she did not listen to him and rapidly descended the stairs. जेहेतु एटा को धरिछि से एटा को तेणु से rapidly descended माने ओल्हेला जल्दी अच्छा. when they reached the street they could not find a carriage. okay, गोटे भी carriage पाइलेनी हैला गाड़ी पाइलेनी and began to look for one. खोजिले गोटे है 2 जन जाक shouting after the cabman passing at a distance. जो cabman जाउଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଡାକି ଖୋଜିଲେ they went towards the Seine. Okay, Seine ଗୋଟେ river of northern France flowing through Paris. Okay, in despair ମନ ଦୁଃଖରେ ଗଲେ shivering with cold ଥରୁଥିଲେ ପୁରା cold ରେ at last they found on the quay. Okay, ହଁ
ଏଇ ରିଭର ସାଇଡ
ସେଇ କୁଏ ବୋଧେ ହଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ରିଜ ସାଇଡ କୁଏ one of the okay one of those ancient night caps which as though they were ashamed to show their shabbiness during the day and never seen around Paris until after dark. Okay, so ରାତିରେ କେବଳ ଏଟା ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଦିନରେ ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତିନି ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ସେ କଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ନା ancient caps ପୁରାତନ night caps as though they were ashamed ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୟାପ୍ସ ଗୁଡାଙ୍କୁ ଲାଜ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା to show their shabbiness ମାନେ ଅଳିଆ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମଇଳା ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯେମିତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲାଜ ଲାଗୁଛି during the day ସେମାନେ ତେଣୁ ବାହାରନ୍ତିନି during the day ସେ ଗାଡି ଗୁଡା ଆସନ୍ତିନି and never seen around Paris until after dark only dark ଅନ୍ଧାର ହେଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ଆସନ୍ତି ହେଲା ସେ କ୍ୟାବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଲେ it took them to their dwelling ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ
ଘର
in the Rue des Martyrs and sadly they mounted the stairs to their flat. Sadly they mounted. Okay. Sadly माने बॉल टा फिनिश हो गला से आश्चर्य आ रही है all was ended for her. As to him he reflected that he must be at the ministry at 10 o'clock that morning. All was ended for her. ये जो छाड़िकिरी आसची as to him he reflected से कौन कहला that okay he must be at the ministry at 10 o'clock at that morning ହେଲା 10 o'clock ରେ ଯିବ ଯେମିତି ସେଠିକି ହେଲା कोठी की मिनिस्ट्री को पाखु मिनिस्ट्री जो ऑफिस she removed her wraps before the glass okay अच्छा so as to see herself once so से जो wraps घोड़े थिला ताको बाहर कला आउ थरे देखियो कोन केम देहिची हैला केम देखा जाउथला but suddenly she uttered a cry चिल्लेला uttered a cry she no longer had the necklace around her neck तार necklace ता पाखरे नथिला what is the matter with you demanded her husband already half undressed okay already half undressed किए half undressed हेतिला ता husband हैला से हेई ये रे कहला कौन हला तोर तुम चिल्लेलु कहीं सी turned okay distractedly towards him distractedly माने
जो कोन माने से आउट माइंड है कोडी से हजेला
हां okay out mind so distractedly I have lost Madame Forester's necklace, she cried. He stood up bewildered. से भी पूरा आश्चर्य होइकरी उठ गला what how impossible they looked among the folds of her skirt हैला folds of भांगे रे सब देखिला कुंची रे in her pockets everywhere but did not find it. You are sure you had it on हाँ तू पिंधिथिलु कि यू हैड इट ऑन व्हेन यू लेफ्ट द बॉल जेतବେଳେ ଛାଡ଼ିଲୁ हेटा पिंधिथिलु कि यस आई फेल्ट इट इन दी yes I felt it in the vestibule of the minister's house से कहला मु सेठी निजे देखिथिली वेस्टिब्यूल ऑफ द मिनिस्टर्स हाउस सेठी वेस्टिब्यूल टा कौन मु कहबी ओके
फेस्टिवल ऑफ माने मिनिस्टर हाउस
से
डाकिया बोली
but if you had lost it in the street we should have heard it fall I mean the सुनिथांदे it must be in the cab hello yes probably did you take his number hello probably cab रे मु हजेथवा अच्छा yes no and you didn't you notice it no से कहला नहीं मु नंबर रखिनु they looked thunderstruck at each other पूरा तांको दिन चड़क पइला से भलिया at last Loisel put on his clothes से पिंदिला Loisel the dress I shall go back on foot said he over the whole route सबआडे जीवी खोजिबी to see whether I can find it he went out she sat waiting on the chair in her ball dress without strength to go to bed आउ बेड को जाक भी तार बल नथला हला एमती बसला ओवरवेल हला without any fire without a thought हला ताकू जेमती गोटे केमती गोटे कोन आउ कोन माडी पड़थला ओवरवेल हला her husband returned about 7 o'clock he had found nothing से आसले जाइए 7 o'clock रे ताकू किछि मिली नथला बुझलो he went to the police headquarters to the newspaper offices to offer a reward he went to the cab companies everywhere in fact whither he was argued by the last spark of hope okay so सबआडे कहीं की वाला whither everywhere he was urged by the least spark of hope अच्छा everywhere he went to cab companies everywhere in fact whither he was urged by the least spark of hope से कोठी ताको मिललानी कोठी भी ताको होप किछि मिललानी आशा मिललानी पाइबो he waited all day in the same condition of mad fear hela before this terrible calamity hela he waited all day in the same condition of mad fear before this terrible calamity okay तेणु ये है कौन से सब खोजिक आसला ता हजबैंड ओके ओके सो जोठी ताकू इच्छा हला से चारियाडे खोजिला सी वेटेड ऑल डे से पूरा दिन जाक ताकू अपेक्षा कला इन द सेम कंडीशन ओके मैड फियर ओके माने तार एटा होची ताकू कहंदी मैड फियर
माने ओरे डर
डर बिफोर दिस टेरिबल कैलामिटी ओके
कैलामिटी माने डिजास्टर
बिफोर दिस हैला माने अच्छा बिफोर दिस टेरिबल कैलामिटी माने बिफोर एठी माने कोन जानछ तो
हां सर
कोन
बिफोर माने हैला जतले मैडम फॉरेस्टियर एथि
बिफोर माने ई तमे जानिଛ बिफोर अर्थ कौन
ମାନେ
पूर्व किंतु एइठे पूर्व हबनी
କଣ ହବ
पर भी हबनी माने एटा ता सम्मुखरे हबो बिफोर माने यार बिफोर अर्थ ता फ्रंट रे माने ता आगे रे कालामिटीटा पड़ीची ये जो दुर्दशा पड़ीची सेई तारी आगे रे ये मैड फेयर रे बसीची जस्ट लाइक तार हजबैंड बुलुची हैला हैं लॉजल रिटर्न एट नाइट विथ ए होलो ओके पेल फेस हैं पेल फेस मलिन मुह हैं पूरा मलिन पड़ जाइए माने पूरा जिंदी सुखिला देखा है होलो किसी ना ता मुहर हस ना he had discovered nothing किसी पाइलानी you must write to your friend said he that से कौन कहला you must write to your friend that you have broken the clasp of her necklace जो जो हुक्कोटा नहीं clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended ହେଲା माने you are having it mended माने तुमे ताको देइचो रिपेयर करियो देइचो मेंडिंग करियो देइचो हैला हैं that will give us time to return around okay हैं so से कहला हेतिरे आमे किछि समय नै जिबा हैं अच्छा she wrote at his dictation she wrote at his से कहिला ये लिखिला हैला at the end of a week they had lost all hope Loisel who had aged 5 years
aged 5 years
wait you don't worry okay so who had aged 5 years declared we must consider how to replace that ornament okay so at the end of the week they had lost all hope आउ तांगर किछि होप नहीं आशा नहीं है Loisel who had aged 5 years okay declared से बड़ who had aged 5 years माने एठी बड़ गाड 5 वर्ष बड़ हैला सेही सेंस रे लिखाई हैला तेणु सी कहला वी मस्ट कंसीडर बड़ हिसाब रे कहला वी मस्ट कंसीडर हाउ टू रिप्लेस दैट ऑर्नामेंट आमे चिंता करिया केमी ताको रिप्लेस करिया द नेक्स्ट डे दे टुक द बॉक्स दैट हैड कंटेन्ड इट एंड went to the jeweler whose name was found within he consulted his books से ता बही देखिला कोठी लिखी छि काहा को बिकी छि
consulted माने
देखिला हला ता बही हैं हला it was not I madam who have sold that necklace मु तो बिकिनी I must simply have furnished the case हला मु बिकिनी मु बोधे खाली डब्बाटा तयारी करके देछि ओके then they went from jeweler to jeweler searching for a necklace like the other trying to recall it okay ओके लोकों को देखेले रिकॉल माने मने पकेबो से डबाटा देखै both seek with chagrin and grief okay chagrin I will tell okay so both बुझ पे लगी both seek with chagrin and grief माने grief माने दुख chagrin टा कहिबे हैला they found in a shop at the Palais Royal a string of diamonds that seemed to them exactly like the one they had lost से जागिरी गोटे दुकान ने देखले Palais Royal रे से हेटा से बळिया देखले it was worth 40,000 francs they could have it for 36 ओके
बार्गेनिंग करनी।
बार्गेनिंग करके से 36 रे पाइले हाँ सो दे बेग द ज्वेलर नॉट टू दे कुड हैव इट से पाई पारिबे हैला so they begged the jeweler not to sell it for 3 days yet huh acha and they made a bargain that he should buy it for 34,000 francs okay so he should buy it back huh? in case they should find the loss so se jodi sede पाइजिबे से माने से 34,000 रे ता संगे बार्गेन कले जे आमे तते दे दबु तोर 2,000 फ्रांक्स लाभ होइबो आमे जदि हमर जोडा हजि जाई छी आमे पाइजु हैं बुझ पाल फाइंड द लॉस्ट नेकलेस बिफोर द एंड ऑफ फेब्रुअरी से गोटे टाइम भी मागिले हैला फेब्रुअरी एंड सरिया जाए हमें टाइम देबे हैला लॉयसेल possessed 18,000 francs which his father had left him he would borrow the rest 18 ने तो हबनी तांको दरकार केते 36 आउ 18 दा दरकार he did borrow asking 1,000 francs from one 500 from of another sorry of another 5 louis here माने लुइस भी आ गोटे तांकर मनी हैला 3 लुइस देयर एमती छोट छोट पैसा से कलेक्ट कले
रखिथिले जोटी
नहीं रखी नथिले एसो मागिले बरो कले हैला धार आनिले he took up ruinous obligations and dealt all the rest of lenders okay he took up माने से नबा ता हातेला कौन रुनस ओब्लिगेशंस से नेला माने हाथ को नेला माने से करिया को चाहिला कौन बहुत किछि रुनस ओब्लिगेशंस किछ काम करिवो एंड डेल्ड ऑल द रेस ऑफ लेंडर्स एवं सबु हे लेंडर माने जहा कहबे से करिवो हैला रेस ऑफ लेंडर्स माने लेंडर माने जो माने धार दउछन he compromised all the rest of his life से मान जहा कहबे से काम करिवो बोली एमती कहला risked signing a note without even knowing whether he could meet it okay so risk भी नेला signing a note without even knowing जैसे जानिन whether he could meet it हैला अच्छा and frightened by the trouble yet to come अच्छा by the black misery that was about to fall upon him अच्छा by the prospect of all the physical privations and moral tortures that he was to suffer he went to get the new necklace laying upon the jeweler's counter सेटे अच्छी ना laying upon माने सेटे अच्छी कौन ज्वेलर्स काउंटर रे 36,000 ओ laying upon माने सेटे रखिला ज्वेलर्स काउंटर 36,000 फ्रांक्स लेकिन ता थोड़े थोई देला जे नियर 36,000 फ्रांक्स हैला
अरे गुड्डू तो एटा कोन लिखिथि सर लेते होले नंबर 701 इंग्लिश वाला
For whom did he die?
For whom इंडिया रा गोटे मनीष
ए
what for he died
ताले एटा आउ थरे पढ़ला
He did borrow, asking 1,000 francs of one, 500 of another, 5 louis here, 3 louis there. He took up ruinous obligations and dealt.
रुनियस ऑब्लिगेशन माने रूल माने रुइन रुइन माने को
मैंने गुलाम
ନାଇଁ
घर भांगे
ହଁ ରୁଇନ୍ ମାନେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ହଁ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ତାର ମାନେ ରୁଇନିୟସ୍ ଓବ୍ଲିଗେସନ୍ସ ମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ସେ କାମ କରିବ ନିଜକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିକିରି ହେଲା
he
and
compromised
dealt all the race of lender ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଲା ଡିଲ୍ କଲା
he compromised all the rest of his life, re-signing a note without even knowing whether he could meet it.
ହଁ ସେ ଏମିତି ଜାଗାରେ ସାଇନ୍ କଲା
Sign kala
ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲା ଯେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ନ ସୁଝି ପାଇଲେ ମୁଁ ତମେ ମତେ ଯାହା ଦଣ୍ଡ ଦବ ଏମିତି କରିକି ଲେଖିଲା ହଁ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ନୋଇଂ ଇଟ୍ ସେଟାକୁ ପାରିବ ନ ପାରିବ ନୋଇଂ ନ ଜାଣିକି ଦେଲା ହଁ
and frightened by the troubles yet to come, by the black misery that was about to fall upon him,
ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଫ୍ରାଇଟେନ୍ ମାନେ ଡରି ବି ନଥିଲା
by the prospect of all the physical privations and moral tortures that he was to suffer.
ସେ ଭୋଗିବା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ କାହିଁ ନା
He went to get the new necklace, laying upon the jeweler's counter 36,000 francs.
ଜଣେ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ ପାଉଡର ନେଇକି ରଖିଦେଲା କ'ଣ 36,000 franc ନେଇକି ରଖିଲା ଦିବାକୁ କ'ଣ ଦବ ସେ ଦେଇଦବ ତାପରେ ପଢ
When Madame Loisel took back the necklace, Madame Forestier said to her with a chilly manner, "You should have returned it sooner. I might have needed it." She did not open the case as her friend had so much feared. If she had detected the substitution, what would she have thought? What would she have said? What would she not have taken Madame Loisel for a thief?
ହଁ ଦେଖ ଆମେ ମୁହଁଟା ଧୋଇଦେ ଏଇଠି ଧୋଇଦେ ମୁହଁଟା when Madame Loisel took back the necklace okay ସେ ନେଇକିରି ଗଲା Madame Loisel Madame Forestier said to her with a chilly manner not ragigiri acha okay manner you should have returned it sooner I might have needed it ମାନେ ତାକୁ ସେ ମଜାରେ କହିଲା ଚିଲି ମ୍ୟାନରରେ କହିଲା you should have returned it sooner ତମେ ଆଗୁଆ ଟିକେ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତ I might have needed it ମୋର ବାଳେ ଦରକାର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା she did not open the case as her friend had so much feared okay acha if she had detected the substitution what would she have thought what would she have said would she not have taken Madame Loisel for a thief acha ए सब जिनस कौन है she did not open the case से खोलिलान ହେଲା as her friend had so much fear acha if she had detected the substitution जल्दी करथांता what would she have thought ये मैडम फॉरेस्टर कौन भाविथांता what would she have said से कौन कहिथांता would she not have taken Madame Loisel for a thief से ताकू गोटे thief बोली काउंट करथांता काहाकू Madame Loisel ये मैडम फॉरेस्टर ताकू गोटे thief बोली कहिथांता हैला ते छिडा हे पड़ो thereafter Madame Loisel knew the horrible existence of the needy माने जहाँ दरकार जो जिनसटा पाइबा दरकार existence of needy that dreadful debt must be paid माने से जो डेप्ट कर ऋण धार कर सुझा हम शी वुड पे इट दे डिसमिस्ड देयर सर्वेंट से आउ तांको सर्वेंट घरे सर्वेंट रखिलेनी डिसमिस करदेले दे चेंज देयर लॉजिंग्स तांको घर चेंज करदेले दे रेंटेड ए गैरेज
ଲଡିଂ ମାନେ
लॉजिंग
ମାନେ ତାର ଜିନିଷ ନା
घरे घर घर
ଆମ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ତ କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଜିନିଷ
ओके घर है बुझिपार दे रेंटेड ए गैरेट अंडर द रूफ से गोटे जगार कोड रहिले जाइकरी गोटे गैरेट अंडर द रूफ गोटे घरे गैरेट कहबी हैला अंडर द रूफ
ଆଜବେଷ୍ଟ
हेतियो ओके सेठी जाइकरी रहिले सी ओके she came to know that heavy housework meant what heavy housework meant माने से बहुत काम भी करिया पड़ला तक एंड घर काम एंड द ओडियस केयर्स ऑफ द किचन
ଅଡିଓ ସ୍କେୟାର୍ସ
ओडियस हैला
ଅଡିଓ ସ୍କେୟାର
ओडियस माने टफ केयर्स ऑफ द किचन अच्छा ओके she washed the dishes the soiled linen soiled linen
ମାଟି ଜମୁଥିଲା
ହେଲା ओके दी सब एडा से धोइला दी शार्ट सॉइल्ड लाइनन माने जो लाइनन जो शार्ट रे माटी लागि छै दी शार्ट्स दी डिश क्लॉथ्स which she dried upon a line गोटे तार रे नेकी झुलाए she carried this slops हैला down to the street every morning and carried of the water हैला से तळु को जाए स्लॉप माने बड़े बकेट भलिया नेकी जाए पुनी आणे पानी ऊपर को and dressed like a woman of the people गोटे कॉमन वोमेन भाया ड्रेस पिंधला सी वेंट टू दी फ्रुक्टरर दी ग्रोसर फ्रुक्टरर जे फ्रूट बिके फ्रूट सेलर हैला ग्रोसर दी बचर जे मांस काटे ये बास्केट ऑन आर आर्म केमी जाए गोटे बास्केट धरी किरी बार्गेन करे 2 टंका दबु कि अच्छा मीटिंग विथ impertinence okay impertinence से डिफेंडिंग हर मिजरेबल मनी जेतिकी पैसा अछि ताकू हेतिकी रे केमति खर्च करिवो 100 बाय यू 100 बाय 100 माने बहुत छोटो छोटो पैसा माने पाई रे पैसा हैला माने बहुत कम खर्च करे अल्प हैला her husband work evenings making up a tradesman's accounts okay making up से देखुला मेकिंग अप ए ट्रेडमैन्स अकाउंट्स देखुला तार द अकाउंट्स सब ठीक ठाक अच्छी ना नहीं and late at night he often copied manuscript for 500 a page 500 रे गोटे जो पेज से बाड़ाए कॉपी करतला मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट माने तार जो ये नहीं तार जो लेखा से जो दिए मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट जो सेटा को कॉपी करिया को दिए हैला टाइप करिया को This life lasted 10 years. ये वाला 10 वर्ष चला and at the end of 10 years they had paid everything. सब से सूझी देले. Madame Lascelles looked old now. She had become the woman of impoverished households. Impoverished माने जो गरीब लोग. Poverty नु impoverished है ना? Impoverished households. Strong and hard and rough हैला से भाया गोटे लेडी हाँ
Yeah.
sometimes when her husband was at the office she sat down near the window and she thought of that gay evening सेदिन जो मजार इवनिंग थिला long ago सेटा से मन पकाए of that ball where she had been so beautiful and so admired जो दिन ताको जो प्रशंसा करथिले से दिन लोक माने से कथाटा से मन पकाए हैं what would have happened if she had not lost that necklace ହେଲା who knows कौन ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା କିଏ ଜାଣିଛି how strange and changeful is life how small a thing is needed to make or run ruin us how small a thing is needed huh? how small a thing is needed to make or ruin us माने how small a thing is needed केते छोटो जिंस हैला तुमको मेक करि पारे रुइन भी करि पारे तुमको बड़ करि पारे मेक करि पारे बड़ करि पारे किबा रुइन करि पारे हैला but one Sunday having gone to take a walk in the Champ Elysis गोटे जगह चाप एलिसिस को जाइछन चललिबा को टू रिफ्रेश हरसेल्फ आफ्टर द लेबर्स ऑफ द वीक जाक काम कला पर से गोटे चली की जाइछ शी सडनली परसीव्ड ए वुमन हु वाज लीडिंग ए चाइल्ड हैला गोटे चाइल्ड से धरिकी जाउची लीडिंग ए चाइल्ड माने चाइल्ड साथे साथे जाउची हैला इट वाज मैडम फॉरेस्टियर स्टिल यंग एबे भी से पूरा यंग अच्छी स्टिल ब्यूटीफुल हैला स्टिल चार्मिंग सेमती सुंदर देखा जाउची हैला मैडम लॉयसेल फेल्ट मूव्ड हैला से ताकू नहीं से मूव्ड माने ताकू से अट्रैक्टेड हैला देखि गिरी हैं से माने से देखि गिरी से चकित हो गला हैला should she speak to her hello yes certainly and now that she had paid she would tell her all about it hello जेतु से भी पे कर देलानी सब जिंस कहयो why not she went up से ता पाखु गला hello good day Jean the other astronist to be familiarly addressed ताको एते familiarly बंधु भलिया से कहला by this plain good wife ए जो साधा लोकटी ताको एमती कहला हैला familiarly addressed जिंद कहला जिन जानिला भलिया familiarly हां जानिला भलिया did not recognize her at all and stammered माने थरथरी कहला खतंगी कहला but madam I don't know you I do not know you must have mistaken अपन मु त अपन चिन्हिनी हैला हां से ताको चिन्हि पालानी did not recognize her at all जम्मा चिन्हि पालानी आदो चिन्हि पालानी हमर स्टामर्ड हैला एन कहला no I am Matilde Loisel okay her friend uttered a cry she had to चिल्लेला ई तू ओ माय पुअर मैटिल्डे एमती चिल्लेला how you are changed yes I have had a pretty hard life since I last saw you and great poverty मोर गरीब आसीगला ओके दरिद्रता आसीगला and that because of you तोमरी लागि हेला सेटा of me how so काहेकि do you remember that diamond necklace you lent me to wear at the ministerial ball से जो बॉल ले मते डायमंड yes well मु जानि छी कोन हला को well I lost it what do you mean you bought it back तमे तो मते आनि देलो I bought you back another exactly like it okay एई भलिया गोटे मु आनि की देली and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it hello you can understand that it was not easy for us who had nothing. ଆମ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ନଥିଲା, ଆମେ ଏଟାକୁ
କିଣିକିନା ତମକୁ ଦେଲୁ।
ଦେଲୁ। At last it is ended. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବୁ ସରିଯାଇଛି, and I am very glad. Okay,
तुमका बहुत खुशी।
ଏବେ କିଛି ଖୁସି ଅଛି। ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଫରେଷ୍ଟର had stopped. ହଁ, ସେ ରହିଗଲେ, ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଯୋଉ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ରହିଗଲେ। You say that you bought a necklace of diamonds to replace mine. ମତେ ଆଣି ଗୋଟେ ଡାଇମଣ୍ଡ ନେକଲେସ୍ ଦେଲ? Yes. You never noticed it then. They were very similar. And she smiled with a joy that was at once proud and ingenuous. Okay. ସେଠୁ ହେଲା, ସେ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ କଲା। Madam Forrester, deeply moved, took her hands. Okay. ସେ କହିଲା ତମେ ଦେଖିନ କି? And she smiled. କିଏ? ଲୟସେଲ୍। with a joy, ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି, that was at once proud and ingenuous. Okay. So ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ପ୍ରାଉଡ୍ ବି ଥିଲା, ଇଞ୍ଜେନିୟସ୍ ବି ଥିଲା, ଯୋଉଟା ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେମିତି ହସିଲା, ସେ ଯୋଉ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ କଲା। ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଫରେଷ୍ଟର ଡିପଲି ମୁଭଡ୍। ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ହେଲା, ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୁରା ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଇଏ ଲାଗିଲା, ଦୁଃଖ ଲାଗିଲା ହେଲା। ଡିପଲି ମୁଭଡ୍, ଟୁକ୍ ହର୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍, ସେ ତା ହାତକୁ ଧରି ପକେଇଲେ। କ'ଣ କହିଲ? ଓ ମାଇ ପୁଅର ମ୍ୟାଟିଲ୍ଡେ, ମାଇ ନେକଲେସ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଫେକ୍। ଆରେ ମୋ ନେକଲେସ୍ଟା ଫେକ୍ ଥିଲା ହେଲା, ଏଇଟା ତ ହେଲା ନକଲି ଥିଲା। ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ୱର୍ଥ ଆଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଓନ୍ଲି 500 francs। ଆରେ ଏଇଟା ତ ଜମା 500 ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କର ଥିଲା, ତମେ 36,000 francs କଲ, ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କଲ ହେଲା। ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ଏଇଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଗାଏ ଡି ମୋପାସାଣ୍ଟ, famous for his short stories, Maupassant. Okay. French writer Guy de Maupassant is known for painting a fascinating picture of 19th century French life in his stories. A prolific writer, he published over 300 short stories, okay, and 6 novels. He died at a young age and suffering from both physical and mental illness. ସେ young age ରେ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲେ।